No engine speed. I already used a scanner to see. I wasn't seeing any RPM, so I just wanted to try one more thing. I'm gonna try to crank this over and see if the RPM on the dash moves. So here we go. Nothing. Okay. So with that being said, I wonder if we have an issue with our crank sensor. So. Okay, we're gonna try this one more time and check to see if we don't see engine RPMs. Is it coming up? No. The glare. How about that? There. Can we see that? I think so. Okay, here we go. Ready? Ignition advance. Nothing. Okay, so while I was in here, somebody's already been in here. Try to focus this. I don't know if I can add the oh no, come on. It's getting late. There we go. Okay, see those are our two cam wires, and somebody's already been. Again, this was at like 3 shops. Somebody's already probed these wires. So I don't know what they found. Those are going to have to be repaired, even with just heat shrink, because it doesn't look like the wires are damaged. So anyways, they've already been checking this. Why they replaced the computer, I don't know. So anyways, just making a note. Any signal? Is it doing nothing? No? Okay, go ahead and crank it. Are you getting that?
Yes.
Do it one more time. Look at that. Stop. Okay. That's all I wanted.
What is it?
You can shut it off.
Should I turn this off?
Yeah. Check this out. Check this out. This is one of the pins for the crank sensor. Look how I can look right through it. They really shoved something in here and opened it. Look, you can see the back side of the solder. I don't know if this is an issue, but I'm gonna readjust this pin. Okay, so what I'm noticing is if you look right here, that's NE negative 111 terminal to terminal 2 on the connector. So if you look at connector 2, or if you look at terminal, looking at the connector 2 is on the right. So we have 111 negative going to terminal 2, which should be on the right. So now here, looking at the connector, first we've noticed that somebody's already been in here because the white plastic retainer clip to hold the pin in to prevent it from coming out is missing. And I pulled this out. I was going to put it back in, but I just want to make sure that the wires are in the right location. And according to this, from what it looks like, looking at our connector, our red should be on terminal 2, which is this side. Now this is a 2-wire sensor, which is a I forgot the term, but it makes its own signal. And if that's the case, I don't know if it is important that these wires are in the correct location, but we will put them in the right area and then we'll try it from there. Again, we're just trying to backtrack what everybody has done touching this vehicle.